Sorry about this. Okay, so what we do at Amtiss, we help enterprise that operates heavy machinery. So we're talking about companies in construction, mining, agricultures that mostly operates big dump trucks, excavators, and to help them to make their equipment work productively and help the workforce, the workers, technicians, mechanics, working efficiently. So when we're talking about the problems in these industries, heavy machines is expensive, is a high capital investment, and it's also a resource-consuming industry. We're talking about spare parts, fuels, oil, lubricants, labors. Okay, and you have to make sure that these equipments can help you do production at maximum levels, and how to help them reduce breakdown time. We're talking about delays in breakdowns. And it's also labor-intensive industries, thousands of workers, operators, technicians, mechanics, supervisors, and you have to make sure that they are happily working with your companies, and they are working at optimum level, because most of them are working 10 hours, 12 hours, when the machines are working 24 hours per day. So what is our solution? We provide mobile apps and web apps, which is unlike a traditional general enterprise ERP system, where we are very vertical solution, specific solution for mining construction equipment. And we streamline the business to make it easier for on-site users to send information, to communicate with the managers, with the engineers, executives directly, and to help them make actions easily on a daily basis. We also have equipment health data. So it's coming from telematics, IoT sensors that can help engineers predict or prevent machines breakdowns. And we also have a mobile application, which is specifically designed for on-site users, which is for them to report activities and saving them times to do ton of works of paperwork. Yes, this is a vertical solution. So most of our customers in these industries, there are thousands of users right now we have, and is also thousands of equipments. We have a range of customers from medium, large to international companies. We found the company based on our experience as a tech developer, building a solution for one of the mining company in Indonesia. And based on the idea, we realized this is a very old industries, a lot sluggish in adopting the new technologies. So we use this as an entry point for the business. And we are looking at launching new products next year. Hopefully 2 of them is collaborating with IBM. One is health analysis, smart technical guides for technicians, and also earned wage access. So let me talk about the co-creation of health analysis and smart technician guide. So this is very technical, so I'm going to dip very technical. When you talk about machine health, this is coming from a couple of different data sources. One is coming from a telematics data, IoT sensors. We are talking about machine condition, engine pressures, engine heat, all this information. That is one point of information. The second one is the unit data from your operators, mechanic, technician, because they're the one who working on a daily basis with your machines. So you need their inputs on that, the diagnosis, the identification. And the third part is that information coming from analysis. Most of these industries are sending the data samples like oil samples, lubricant samples to laboratorium. And those data can be combined to make sure that your equipment is in perfect health and optimum level to prevent unscheduled breakdown. So this is we are talking about hundreds of parameters, thousands of data, gigabytes of information that users have to work on a daily basis. So without helps of machine learning, of GenAI, it would be difficult for them to predict a pattern, how to predict a next breakdown time, how to predict, for example, I want to find, let's say equipment that have a breakdown last month, which using a Shell lubricants, because it was using an accelerate gas for 3 hours. So that would be difficult for them to find unless you can help from data analysis platform. We're talking about smart technician's guide, is that for on-site users, it will be helpful for them to have an apps where you can using natural language processing, asking for a question like, what should I do to the first action if they found a problem, let's say oil leaks? What is the first action they must do? So that kind of information should be delivered for them instantly. And the latest product that we have is earned wage access, because technicians, operators on sites are being paid based on this production on a daily basis, how many hours they are working. If the truck drivers, how many mileage are they working on a day, and they are get paid on a weekly, on a monthly basis. So in between time, they're going for pinjol and all that information. So we can help them by providing access to legal financial bank, so they can earn their wage earlier than before their salary. Okay, so that's what we are looking for. And our ask is that we want to have a network introduction to enterprises or our partners that can combine our solution to provide to our customers, banks that will provide our earned access products. We invested by MDA Ventures and Indigo. So thank you from me.